I open it like this because I can't open it like the normal way, like people bite on it. I can't open. We don't know how they do it. Okay, gotta just pull it out. Now let's eat it. It's supposed to be on the front, but it's fine.